So here now today we will study about the technical terms, and it is being, these terms are being used, technical terms are being used where? In IT sector. Okay, in IT sector where these terms are being used. When an electronic device is receiving power, when an electronic device is receiving power but is not running, it is in this mode. For example, a television in this mode when it is plugged in but turned off. In such a situation, the television can be started again with the help of remote control. This mode is synonymous to sleep. While referring to computers, the computer use very little power in this mode. So what is the technical term used for it?
Standby.
Standby means it seems that it is on but it is not on. That is your standby. Now second one, it is sometimes called AL. It is ability of a computer to act like a human being. It is most commonly used in video games where the computer is made to act as another player. If AL is very good, a game might be impossible to beat. What is AL here? Artificial intelligence. What is AL here? Artificial intelligence. Third one, it refers to technologies used to detect and recognize human physical characteristics. It is used in computer science as a form of identification and access control. It is also used to identify individuals in groups that are under surveillance. It refers to technology used to detect and recognize human physical characteristics. It is used in computer science as a form of identification and access control. It is also used to identify individuals in groups that are under surveillance. What it is? Biometrics. Okay. It is biometrics. The term is used to describe a preset value for some option in a computer program. It is value used when a setting has not been specified by the user. What it is? This term is used to describe a preset value for some option in a computer program. It is the value used when a setting has not been specified by the user. What it is? Default. What it is? Default. The name combines the terms iPod and broadcast into a single catchy words. As the name suggests, it is audio and video broadcast that can be played on an iPod. What it is? Podcast. It is the use of computing resources such as hardware and software. These computing resources are delivered as a service over a network which is typically known as the internet. It can be said that it is the next stage in the internet's evolution. What it is? Cloud computing. It is a model of network online storage where data is stored in pools of storage which are generally hosted by various companies. Hosting companies operate large data centers, and people who require their data to be hosted by or lease storage capacity from them. What it is? Cloud storage. What it is? Cloud storage. It refers to wireless networking technologies that allows computer and other devices to communicate over a wireless signal. It is short for wireless fidelity. VIC Hayes is often considered the father of this technology. What it is? This is the last one, Wi-Fi. What it is? Wi-Fi. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a good day.